What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. So I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, turn motivation to means, dog pound exotic pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made King Hussle, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video and make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that can turn everybody into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you're ready to be your family hero, listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and get to these notes, because I'm about to give y'all some information that's going to help you get out the door, all right? Today's video, I got a special place, a special place that will give you up to $50,000, but we're gonna just work on the bare minimum, $25,000 to $50,000, no credit check, instant approval, personal loans. All right, yeah, 25,000 to 50,000. And this place is Credit Human Federal Credit Union, Credit Human Federal Credit Union. All right, now a lot of people probably heard of this. Probably a lot of people probably never heard of this place. And this place is giving the bag for real. They're giving out the bag. But like I said, a lot of people hear these videos and hear bad credit, no credit check, instant approval, blachat, and then they get off the video, go on their phone or go on a computer and apply for these loans. So first thing I want to do is I want to explain to you guys that when you are applying for a loan, and you're applying for a loan over the computer or the phone, it's going to push through as a traditional loan. So anytime you apply for any type of loan on the computer or the phone, if it doesn't give you that option for a no-doc loan or a signature loan or things like that, it's going to push that application through as a regular, traditional loan. So you're going to have to you have to submit your bank statements, pay stubs, W-2, things like that. When you apply in person or over the phone, because if you call and say I'm looking to apply for a loan, they can send you a link to fill out. It's an e-doc. They can send all that. You will have to do it over the computer. They can send you all that information, and they can offer you different loan programs. Now, when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, the amount that you get approved for is all based off what you can show on your credit report, what you can manage. So if you somebody with $5,000, $3,000, $4,000, $6,000 in debt, with debt on your credit, don't expect to get a $25,000 to $50,000 loan, bad credit with your personal credit. Don't expect that. Don't expect that, because you're not even showing on your credit that you can manage that. It's all about the debt. So understanding that the more debt that you have reported on your credit report is what's going to determine how much money you get lent. So a lot of people feel like the less debt that you have is better, is good. No, the more debt that you have on your credit report that you can show that you can manage is better. What'll get you the money. A lot of people also feel that disputing all the accounts off your credit report is how, and having no debt is what you need to do to clean your credit. A lot of people want to clean their credit, like credit cleaning. No, it's not. If you delete all your accounts off your credit report, you would no longer have any age or payment history or debt on your credit report, which means you basically will have to start all over again and build the age, build the debt, and build your credit score. Because just because you dispute every account doesn't mean you're just going to get points every time. So you got to understand the credit game. And the credit game is stacking debt. Stacking as much debt as you can to make as much payment history as you can. leaving the debt because you got a 15-year-old. Your credit report is 15 years old with $60,000 in debt, and you go add another $100,000 in debt. Now you got $160,000 in debt, 15 years old, and with good payment history. Because anytime you add trade lines to your personal credit, that debt turns into good debt because you're making payments on that credit, on that debt, on those trade lines. So before people hear, oh, $25,000 no credit check, instant approval personal loan, and then jump up and go to the website and then apply it, then go get it approved, and they ask for documents, and y'all comment like, you said no documents, you said they instant approval, you said that. Understand that you will be pushed through as a traditional loan when you apply online. When you call or go into the branch, you can have different loan options, and the loan option that you pick, they'll push you through that one. So if it's a no doc loan, you're gonna get pushed through that. It's a veteran loan, you'll get pushed through that. It's a line of credit, you're gonna get pushed through that. It's a regular traditional personal loan, you'll get pushed through that. And this is what people gotta understand. So before everybody jump up and hear, oh, I can get $25,000 to $50,000 no credit check personal loan instant approval from Credit Human Federal Credit Union, but then they ask me for my documentation. You can't, nah. Call or go in person. If you do it over the computer, you're going to have to submit certain documentation. So, the debt that you need to have on your credit report matters. The more debt, the better. The least debt, the worse. So, that's why people add trade lines, because the trade lines will add debt and add payment history to your credit report, which is what you need to show the banks, lenders, and groups that you can manage money. Now, this is a personal loan. This is not a $50,000 no doc loan. This is a personal loan. So, CreditStrong.com, CreditStrong.com, and Magnum Credit together have $40,000 in trade lines. So if you got $60,000 a day, get that $40,000. That's $100,000 a day that you not have. You need at least 5 primary trade lines on your credit report always. So whatever accounts that you have, and also remember those 5 to 10 banks that give credit builder loans that will report to your credit report as a primary trade line. I made a video on them, so just go back, check out those banks: Insight Credit Union, DCU Credit Union, Credit Human, Federal Credit Union gives those. So they actually give a $5,000. They get a $5,000 credit builder loan for people. Oh, credit builder loan for people. So it's all about the debt. People want to get CPNs, and people want to get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. People want to get business loans, but they're not understanding the first thing that pertains to getting this money is credit. People don't even understand what credit is. And credit is basically a short enough for how credible you are with money. That's what credit is. How credible you are with money. Are you good with money? Can we trust you with money? So on and so on. So when it comes to getting these loans, you gotta understand. Add them trade lines to your credit report. Add them trade lines. Like, add the trade lines. Because you're not going to get approved. People, it do be people out there with 700 credit scores, but the debt be low. They don't understand that you need debt. The more debt, the more money you'll get. The more money you show you can handle and manage, the more money you can get. And every bank and every lender does not have the same requirements. Every bank and every lender does not have the same loan programs. Every bank and every lender does not have the same operation. So always understand that. That's what goes into plays in the part of you getting funded for which loan that you need. That's why I make these videos of these banks so y'all can know where to go, and y'all ain't got to do y'all research and be stressed out. Because y'all already know where to go. Come to my page, find a bank, and go apply. Easy as that. A lot of people make it harder than what it is because a lot of people don't got a job. And having a job gets you bank statements, W-2s, and pay stubs. And that's what a traditional loan, what you need to get any type of loan, traditional loan. So make sure y'all get them trade lines. Make sure y'all add them trade lines. Once y'all add them trade lines, go open up a bank account online or over the phone with Credit Human Federal Credit Union. They got credit cards, they got vehicle loans, they got home loans, they got education loans, they got personal loans. So Credit Human can help you get more access to healthy credit options to give you pre-approved credit limit or let you lend money to yourself to help you protect cash flow and attend to the charging needs to your family or the change needs to your family, all that at the same time. Explore what's right for you and apply today. All right, so I already have Credit Human personal loan, so you can manage it. So they got personal loan, borrow up to $25,000 or $50,000, fixed competitive rates, terms up to 72 months to pay it back. They got the line of credit up to $5,000, low monthly payments, overdraft protection option available, access credit by debit card, online banking, or by phone. Then they got the Q Money loan. Their Q Money short-term loan is a viable member benefit and smarter alternative to payday loans and other cost options. Then they got the secured loans, borrow $500 or more. They got some sustainable home financing. So Credit Human offers sustainable home financing throughout participating dealers for solar home improvements, rainwater harvesting projects, just agriculture homes and things like that. And then they just got different programs and they got different credit cards. I'm gonna go through the credit cards for y'all real quick. So they got the rate preferred MasterCard, they got the rewards preferred MasterCard, they got the super rewards MasterCard. So with the rate preferred MasterCard, you can get like $10,000. The rewards preferred MasterCard like $25,000, and the super rewards MasterCard like $100,000. So no balance transfer fee, no annual fees on all of them. Balance transfer as low as 7.9, 5.9, and that's it. APR as low as 11.70, 3.9, 13.9. So they got some good options for you guys to get some money. All right, so credithuman.com, aka Credit Human Federal Credit Union. Go check them out. Go get approved. Go open up an account with them. Cause that's always having an account with them. It's always better. They got they got free checking. They got share savings. They got a lot, man. So make sure you go check out credithuman.com, Credit Human Federal Credit Union, and go get the bag. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with them. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, and you ready to get this sauce to turn you to a boss, you ready to get this financial freedom information, you ready to start making thousands of dollars on a daily basis, all profits into the charities like this, you ready to blessed to be blessed, get y'all FaceTime 1-on-1 limit gems, $350 cash app or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your cash app or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there, all right? No screenshot, no reply. So, no 21 questions, and do not yo me. So please follow instructions, send a screenshot, let me know your payment ready, we'll go from there. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all in-person limit gems for $5,500. Make sure y'all getting y'all 3-month mentorship for $7,500. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Telegrams, New Age Credit Repair, Millionaire Network. Make sure y'all go, still look for people for the production company, still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. All right, we're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, modeling, networking, making money, having fun. Make sure you go follow my clothing line, clothing brand, Boost Glow Department. Just a little sample right here. I might drop these, but make sure y'all go follow. Dropping new joggers at the top of March. Apparel and kids apparel coming soon. Make sure you go follow my blog channels, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle Live. And more, yeah, King Hussle Live. Make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M. Just dropped a new mixtape. Go like, share, comment, subscribe. Go run the views up, them comments up. Make sure y'all getting y'all YouTube, Facebook automation channels made. A lot of people getting these channels and making money off these channels. So with that being said, be the next, all right? I know a lot of y'all see these channels where people don't show their face, but they get millions of views. Come get tapped in. Any channel that you want, a Korean Korean food channel, it don't matter. Horror story, rain, it don't matter. Tap in with me. For $250, I create your channel in 2 videos. For $500, I create your channel in 5 videos. And for $1,000, I create your channel in 10 to 12 videos. So get in the game, start making this passive income, start making these thousands of dollars like everybody else. Come get blessed and make this money. Alright, so with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next video or lesson. Peace.